welcome back to my channel. So I am vlogging today, day in my life. This morning was pretty boring. I just got out of bed. I had to upload a video and then I got ready. That's pretty much all my morning consisted of. And now I'm headed up to bring something to my mom, to her work, to her bakery. Sorry if this distracts you. I have 15 things up there. But I am gonna take you guys through my day with me. Things on the agenda. I need to go to Staples to pick up our save the dates, and I'm going to put them in envelopes and seal them and stuff, and then that'll be that. Awesome. And then I want to, while I'm going to Staples, there's a Marshall's right next to it, so I'm going to try to go to Marshall's and see if I can find a new makeup chair, because the one at my parents' house, which hopefully I think the video before this one, if not it won't make sense, but the video before this one I kind of update you guys on everything, and we moved out of our apartment, so now we're living at my parents' house again. The video before this one I think explains that a lot more. Basically my dad got sick. He's better now, but he can't do much, so they asked us to move back in with them, so that's what we did, and now we're living here. And the makeup chair I have broken and just old, and I was like, let me see if I can find a new one. And then I want to clean the bedroom we're in, my old bedroom, the one y'all know and love. I want to clean that. It's an absolute disaster from moving. There's shit everywhere. Sorry, there's stuff everywhere. So messy. I cannot take it any longer, so I'm gonna try to clean that. I'm gonna move stuff, not move stuff around, but look at stuff that we have in a bin and see if we can put it in storage. You know, just try it in my best to clear out that room, because it's insane in there right now. There's no space for anything. So those are the things I want to get done today, or things I am getting done and then I want to get done. But yeah, that is the day. Thought I'd let you guys on and end with that. But yeah, I'll just be vlogging my day some. I curled my hair this morning. Does it look good? Or does it look bad? I haven't done my hair in a few days, so I was like, let me do my hair today. Water. No hands. Okay. See y'all later when I'm doing something that's not boring. I started recording again and I was trying to turn it off. I'm at Marshall's now. Staples is still not ready for me, but Marshall's is. I just left Marshall's. I got just loofahs. I just got some loofahs for the shower, a makeup organizer, and I did find a little chair on clearance for 48 bucks. So that wasn't too bad. Now I'm gonna run to Starbucks and then I'm gonna go home. Staples is just not coming through today, so yeah, let's go to Starbucks. If you need to renew a birth control prescription, or if you want to switch a prescription, or even start birth control, not sure what kind you want to switch to, what kind to start, or if you just want an easier way to go about it, the Pill Club medical team has your back on helping you through it all. The Pill Club is a birth control subscription service prescribed by a medical professional and delivered straight to your door for free. The Pill Club carries over 120 FDA-approved birth control brands, and most brands of birth control are free with insurance or Medicaid. Otherwise, prices start as low as $7 a month without insurance, which is already way cheaper than going to a pharmacy and paying $30, $50 and up for birth control every single month. And the Pill Club delivers straight to your door for free in discreet packaging. If you're interested in trying out the Pill Club, I would totally do it if you are on birth control or looking to start birth control. Right now, when you go to thepillclub.com/Messler, the Pill Club is offering a $10 donation to bedsider.org to every one of you who become a patient. Your guys' donation will help low-income individuals get access to birth control through bedsider.org. That's thepillclub.com/Messler to get your first birth control care package and donate to help more women in need of affordable birth control. Remember, thepillclub.com/Messler. The link will be in my description for you guys to go check it out. If you're on birth control or looking into starting or switching, I would definitely recommend it. It's so much easier than going to a doctor and going to the pharmacy, and you get really cool, fun, cute care packages along with it. So I would definitely recommend, link in my description. Check it out. So hot in here. I ordered ahead on the app and I'm gonna run inside and get it, but I'm not even there yet. But I got Bradley, I got him an iced coffee with, oh my gosh, it's so confusing. I have to like look. I'm at a red light, by the way. I got him a venti iced coffee with 6 pumps, vanilla syrup, extra ice, splash of cream, and a splash of sweet cream. And then I got a iced blonde vanilla latte, venti, extra ice with 3 pumps of pumpkin sauce, and then a pumpkin loaf, which I'm so obsessed with, like pumpkin bread, or so good. Warmed, of course, so good. I'm so obsessed. It's so delicious. So, yeah, oh my gosh, it is blazing hot. Oh my gosh, there's literally a tractor in the way. Okay. It's fine. I gotcha. I gotcha. Thanks. Am I good? I don't think I'm good. Oh, there's another car. Okay, now I'm good. Thanks. Oh my god. There's a tractor in the way, and he was telling me when to go, and then every time he told me to go, there freaking was another car, and I was like, dude, I can't go. And he's like, you can go. And then he looks and he's like, oh wait, don't go. Like, no duh. That was hectic. Okay, be right back. I'm gonna leave you guys here and you will see me in just a moment. See ya. I'll be right back, guys. Okay. Yay! Got the Starbucks. There was no tall straw, so I got a freaking short straw. Freak. It's fine. No big deal. But I got my Starbucks. This is what I got. Never had it. I just wanted to try it, so. Pretty good. Actually, that's really good. It's sweeter than I think like a regular pumpkin spice latte. The star of the show. Literally. Yeah. Holy shit, it's hot in here, bro. So good. I love pumpkin bread. We've had a few days where it's like not been so brutally hot, and it's just like no humidity. Oh, I already have my seatbelt on, which has made it really nice on some days, but right now is not the case because it's hot and hot. It's Florida hot. It's not even like nice hot, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah. Okay, I'm going home now. See you guys when I get there. Bye. I don't know why I'm zoomed in, but I just spilled coffee all down my freaking leg and here, but luckily I have these in my car, these little cleanup wipes. So I'm gonna clean my car now. Well, it's clean. Bradley actually cleaned it. Best Fiance Award goes to him. He cleaned it yesterday for me, but I just spilled coffee all on the side of it, so. That's fun. He is on the phone inside though with our DJ for our wedding. We've been getting so much planning done. So happy. I'm so excited. If you guys want like a little video, gross, on like planning and stuff, like, you know, what we have planned and all that fun stuff, let me know and I can totally do that, because I can like tell you guys about what we have already planned and what we are in the works of and all that fun stuff. Okay, I'm going inside now. Okay, the current situation of our room is this, and you can probably tell why we desperately want to clean it up. This is the cherry ball, so it's just black. It's like all I had, so that's that. But it's so messy in here, so I want to clean it. It's so bad. Like, what? Okay, yeah, so that's that.
I didn't get my trust like that. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. I stay adamant with the same things, but I still.
I'm gonna organize all my makeup into this thing I bought today at Marshall's. It's bigger than like what I have already, so hopefully it organizes it well, because this is a flippin' mess.
Way too tight, like it's a dear life, and I should probably run away. Said fuck my friends' advice, just come through tonight. I'll ruin my life with you, baby. But Casey, I don't wanna buy you drugs. Like you so much better when you're not fucked up. Boy, you're just a little too much like that. Whoa, 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 whoa. Casey, I don't wanna fall in love. Thought I had the time, but it's just not enough. Boy, I don't tend to give no trust like that. Whoa, 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 whoa. She took away all of my youth now. 20 going on 42 now. I hesitate and then get chewed out. No point in conversations, I can't seem to shake this. Cause she hangs on way too tight, like it's her dear life. And I should probably run away. Said fuck my friends' advice, just come through tonight. I'll ruin my life with you, baby. But Casey, I don't wanna buy you drugs. Like you so much better when you're not fucked up. Boy, you're just a little...
Good night, YouTube.